So these are the following materials that you need for this project. So go ahead and cover your bra with the rhinestone. Now we do have to cut it in sections to get each section on the bra completely covered, and use your E6000 glue or your glue gun to glue that in place. And of course, I am starting off with the cuff first because that's the most difficult area which we have to cover. And we're just repeating the same step for the other section of the bra. Now at this time, I'm just going to try and cut out everything in one to see if I can get the cuff and a little bit of the side all covered at once. And also another secret sauce for this, make sure when you do apply your rhinestone on top of the glue, you hold that in place by applying pressure, like for just at least 4 seconds. Now make sure to go ahead and cut off the rhinestone pieces that are hanging over, because we do want to make it look very nice and neat. And I'm making sure I do not miss any section of the bra, so I'm cutting out some pieces in smaller portions like so, and just gluing it on and then applying pressure onto that area so that the glue is perfectly in place. Everything has to be perfectly in place. Okay, so now that it's all coming together and it looks super sparkly, the next step is to add our rhinestone in the center. We gotta put something that has a lot of emphasis on the bra. So of course, you need to use the rhinestone that stands out in the center of the bra. And right here, I was just trying to decide exactly what to do, playing around with the layout. Anyway, after doing all that, I've definitely decided to use the purple and blue rhinestone. Okay, so after completing that step, the next thing to do is we're gonna outline the edges of our bra. So just go ahead and cut off a small strip of the rhinestone so we can use it to outline the ending of the bra, just to create a more professional and neat look. And of course, remember to apply pressure for at least 5 seconds. Okay, so now you see what I mean. You see how different and good looking it looks now with that outline at the edge. Now what I want to do is I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same process by outlining the top edge of the bra, so that way it looks even better. And I went ahead and do that. I didn't show it because I thought it would be redundant. So So first, I'm going to go ahead and just cover that section with some of the rhinestone. And where you see the clear strap, I'm going to replace it using this stretch shiny trimming. Oh my god, that I'm so in love with. But anyways, go ahead and replace it using that. And of course, make sure it is the same length. I'm going to go ahead and just stitch it in place, and after doing that I decided to just create an X at the back, like a crossover X. Then after doing that, I'm just going to hook it in place just to see how it looks. Then the next thing to do is we're going to use those hooks that we have to make our strap. Yes. So just go ahead and tack that on onto the back section of the bra. Just loop over loop, super easy. Now the next thing to do is we're going to use our organza trimming that I actually got for the strap. I think it was the perfect match. So anyways, what I'm doing is I'm just measuring that on my shoulder so I can make sure it is the perfect measurement for the length. That having this strap do make a lot of difference. As you can see, it certainly lifts my girls up. So to complete the strap section, all we're going to do is go ahead and loop your strap in the hooks as I'm doing here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and sew those together, just a little tack, super easy, just to make sure the end doesn't ravel out. Then after, I'm going to go ahead and tack that on onto the inside, as you can see I'm doing. And again, it's super easy, and this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, super easy. After doing that, that's your final step, and this is the result of what your DIY rhinestone bra looks like. Oh my gosh, look how good it looks, so sparkly. Okay guys, tell me what you think about this DIY rhinestone bra. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please hit that subscription button so I can share more of these DIY with you. And please hit that notification bell so you do not miss an episode. So much for watching this video to the end, and I will see you in my other video. Bye.